Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from the brand Revel Nail as well as Dip UK. So here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is from Revel Nail, and this is in the shade Lola. Next is again from the brand Revel Nail, and this is the shade Confetti. And lastly from the brand Dip UK, and this is the shade Funfetti. And for the liquids, I will be using my Revel Nail Pro Base as well as the activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, as always, I will be applying my nail dehydrator on all of my nails to remove the natural oil on my nails. So the next, I move on to my Pro Base, and I apply a thin layer of this on my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So I will be applying the shade Lola on my pointy, pinky, and thumb, and as always, I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. And also, I just want to mention that I brush off the excess powder off camera, so make sure you do that. So once I'm finished with the shade Lola, I brush up the excess powder and then move on to the next shade, which is the Confetti from Revel Nail. So what I do is I pour the powder into the disposable cap just because the pot is too full, so I don't really want to waste any products. So I just pour it in a disposable cap which is deeper, so I can actually dip my nails without spilling any products. So with this shade, I will be applying this on my middle nail, and again I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. So once I'm finished with the Confetti, I move on to the next powder, which is the Funfetti from Dip UK. So first, I just tap the powder a little bit just to move all the chunky bits on the surface. So then I apply a thin layer of my Pro Base. So instead of dipping my nail, I just lay my nail on top of the powder. With this method, you will get more chunky bits on your nails. So then I cover my nail with the plastic and gently press my nails to flatten up all the chunky bits. And I just repeat the same step with my second coat. So once I'm finished with the Funfetti from Dip UK, I move on to my clear powder. This will protect my colors and my glitters from piling and buffing. So then once I'm finished with clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to the activator. So I apply a generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. After a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush up all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat, and I apply 2 layers of this on my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.